Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a double unboxing for you, one from Fendi and one from Hermes. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time. If you love all things luxury or you just like unboxings, handbags, shoes, fashion, a bit of beauty, then this is the channel for you. I would love if you consider subscribing, and all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button and click that bell if you want to be notified each time I upload. Actually, my notification squad name is Family, and that's how I treat you guys. You guys are my YouTube family and I just absolutely adore you. So let's get started with the first unboxing. I've got something to show you in this Fendi bag. This is a new Fendi bag. How gorgeous is this? I'm a sucker for shopping bags. I'm a sucker for packaging. But yeah, Fendi did recently do a collaboration with Fila, hence this sort of bag. But anyway, let me show you what is in the box. So I picked this up about a week ago, and this, I've got a little bit of a story to tell you on this, and now I'm stuck and now I can't get it out. As always, I always share prices with you guys because you've told me it's helpful, so I will be sharing that. Let me just put this up here, unbox and show you. Ta-da! Okay, so it comes beautifully wrapped. Let me just get this out. Oopsie daisy. So this is the dust bag. Put the box down. Okay, so a bit of story time. This actually was not for me. I bought it for my sister, but this is now for me because, let me just open it and then I'll tell you the story. I'm rambling. Okay, so in here is, dun, 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 the Fendi Defender cover. Yes, it's not a bag, it's just a cover, and let me explain. This is actually a cover for the Fendi mini Peekaboo. You guys know I do not own a Peekaboo. It's something that I am thinking, and I have been thinking for a while now, to add to my collection, but I just haven't pulled the trigger. Now, the Peekaboo is one of Fendi's most classic styles. It's been around for years and is definitely what they consider a classic in their collection. Anyway, this cover, originally, you could only buy it with a black patent mini Fendi Peekaboo inside. And so I'll insert a picture of what that looks like. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, that's really cute. Maybe that is the one I should get because it's like a two-in-one. If you take the Fendi bag out, it's a black patent Fendi bag. You put this on the bag, and I'll show you how it attaches on. It becomes another bag, so it's like two-in-one. Anyway, cut long story short, this was for my sister because she actually owns a Fendi Peekaboo. So she was asking me, can you please get this if you can buy it separately? Because for a while you could not buy them separately. But when I was talking to the Fendi sales associate, they said due to the demand, Fendi made this available separately. And that is a big deal because if you wanted to buy the Fendi with this cover, the original Fendi Defender, I think that was about $5,500 Australian. And normally if you want to buy a Fendi Mini, it costs probably about 4,400 Australian dollars. So my sister has this bag, and you're thinking, is that a Fendi Mini, Mel? Yes, it is. This was one she picked up years ago. Get this, guys. She picked it up for like about $300 pre-loved because it is in white. People are very scared of white bags, and it is in lambskin. But I am really surprised at the condition of this. Like, there are a few faint, scuffs to the corner, but other than that, you can see it's kind of lost its shape. For $300, I thought that's fine. Anyway, she's so sweet. She's like, I don't really wear it, and I know how much you love bags, so I'm just going to give this to you, so keep this because it'll be like a new bag. It's like my Christmas present to you. And I'm like, oh, that's so nice. Isn't she the sweetest? So let me show you how it fits in there. So this cover fits on any mini Peekaboo. It comes in two sizes. So it comes in the mini size and it also comes in the medium. So if you guys currently own a mini or a medium Peekaboo, definitely go check out your local Fendi boutique because they should be selling these separately now. So I got this about a week ago, and I think that was the first day they were selling it separately, but do hurry because I reckon this is going to sell out. Okay, so let me show you how it works. This is in like a coated canvas and it's all trimmed in leather. So that is the front. That is the side. So these are buttons, and you can actually, open these buttons up. And that is the back. That is the bottom. And the front, it also comes with this luggage tag. Inside it is fabric lined and it's still got a few bits trimmed in leather. Now, I know that the Fendi Peekaboos that come in calfskin are a lot more structured. As you can see, the lambskin version tends to be much more slouchier, but I honestly don't mind because it slots in very easily. Voila, as you can see, I pretty much have a new bag. So how gorgeous is that? You know, logos have been all the rage the last year, especially Fendi. This monogram Zucca print has been just hot to trot. And the best part is that this cover retails for 690 Australian dollars. Now, I don't know about you, but it's like I got this bag for under $1,000. So what I recommend you guys do is have a look on the pre-loved market for a mini Fendi Peekaboo or even a medium Peekaboo if you prefer the bigger size. I will leave some links below for those that I found. Obviously, it's not going to be 300, but you still can pick up really good, decent ones for under $1,000. And as I said, the normal Peekaboo is about 4,500 Australian dollars. So you're saving yourself, you know, 3,000. Even if you were to buy one for like 2,000, it's still a really good saving. And then that way you have Fendi Peekaboo and then you buy the cover for 690 and you can achieve two different looks. So you guys know I love buying pre-loved bags and I have both new and pre-loved in my collection. Anyway, let me show you how it attaches on. So with the Fendi Peekaboo, they've got these little straps here. And it might be a bit hard to see, so I will, you know, insert a close-up. But you basically put it through this gap, and I'll insert a close-up as well. And this is the side. As you can see, that's how it sort of attaches. You just put these little tabs through here and then it's secure. It has got buttons running down here which opens up, so you can wear it open like that and flare the bag out, as you can see. So I've seen Mel from Mel Soldera wears hers like this, and Amy from fashionablyamy also has this Defender cover. And the back is plain. So that's just a close-up. Now, this is just a great protector because especially if you guys do own a lambskin Peekaboo, this Defender cover, that's probably why it's called Defender. It protects it against the elements like the rain. So I just love it. It has totally revived this. If you saw this white bag by itself, you'd be like, maybe not. But now it looks like a new bag. And what I plan to do is, this is just my Dior strap. You can attach any black strap. It really doesn't matter. Or you can even buy Fendi. Fendi has like 5 trillion thousand options for straps. And attach anything you want on there. So I'm just going to wear it now. As you can see how good does this bag look on the shoulder. It looks fantastic handheld. I just think this just is a game changer. And I'm so glad that Fendi made this available to purchase separately. Okay, so next up is a few items from Hermes, and I need to admit, guys, I actually bought this a while ago, but I haven't unboxed it yet. I don't know why. But anyway, I really wanted to use one of these pieces, but let's start off with these little cuties. And from the box, you already know what it is, but yes, I am obsessed with Hermes twillies because I love using them on my bags. So this one I picked up, let me just show you. Is this beautiful purple colored one. I will insert the name here, but twillies in Australia cost 280 Australian dollars. And I just love this light purple shade, the checkered pattern. And I got two because I had a bag in mind. And the bag that I had in mind is none other than my Miss Elle, which is a beautiful neutral. It's sometimes looks gray, sometimes it looks beigey gray. Anyway, I just think that is such a gorgeous match. Let me just quickly show you. Okay, just to give you a quick idea, I haven't done it up. This is just very loosely tied. How beautiful is that? I just think it's going to be so good. Right at the moment now, it is spring going into summer for Australia, but I just love those two colors together. I just think it looks so, so pretty. And then next is something in this box here. And this, I would say, is a classic style from Hermes. I've been thinking about this for a while. You guys may be surprised when I unbox it, but I will show you. And it is, and maybe that's why I've left it so long, because normally I am not a necklace person. You guys know I'm always into earrings. Well, by the way, these are Hermes earrings too. But I just really loved how this looked. I think I saw it in a Pinterest image. And the way I want to wear this, which I will show you, Oh, let me tell you the price. So guys, this is called the Farandole 120 centimeter length necklace and it's 2,200 AUD. So I'll just take it out now. It does come in different lengths. There is a longer one and a shorter one, I believe. I'm not as familiar with Hermes jewelry, but I do really love it. Oh my goodness, their rose gold is divine. I'm already eyeing a ring. But anyway, I've not purchased anything. So this is what the necklace looks like. It is very simple. Obviously, you can just wear it as a really long necklace like this. It's probably not going to go with my outfit. Or the way I want to wear it is you can actually take this off, as you can see. And guys, it's not going to match what I'm wearing. But what I would do is I wanted to loop it like this and then loop it again, and then you can put this toggle through. I thought it would be easy to change outfits to show you how I'm layering it. So I've just put the toggle through and left it dangling, so that's one way. And the second way is to wear the toggle part as a choker and then leave the rest of it hanging. So I think this will look really nice with like a simple white cami. You could just even wear a cardigan or something like a lower top, but obviously all plain. And as I said, you guys know I'm not a necklace person, but I just really liked how that looked. So that is it, guys. That is my quick unboxing of my new items from Fendi and Hermes. If you like this unboxing video, please give it a thumbs up. And for those of you that do own a Fendi mini or medium, would you guys consider buying the Defender? Personally, I absolutely love it. And don't forget my tip on checking out the pre-loved market and then maybe buying one of these covers and then you get 2 in 1. So have a lovely day or night, guys. I love you heaps and I will see you in my next video. Bye!